Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Going Guitar. Alexander Stewart here with a beautiful song called If You Only Knew. So this one is a piano-based song, aware of that. We'll translate that into a guitar. So we'll use a string pattern that will work for this song. And this goes in the same chord progression pretty much through the entire song there. So let's take a look at this one. We are going clean here, so no need for any capo, okay? So we have basically 4 chords, a fifth, which we throw in there sometimes, but 4 chords mainly. And let's go over these chords. So start here with the C. That is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. The next, I will call that the G, B chord. So that's a G with the B in the bass. That will be 2nd on A, then open D, open G, 3rd B, and open E. Then we have the D minor. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. Then we have the F. So that's a bar chord. You place the bar here on the 1st fret over all strings, and you need to add then the 3rd fret on A string, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. And sometimes we throw in also the F minor. So what you do there from the F, it comes right after the F chord. The minor, you just lift off the 2nd G and get that barred on the 1st G string, of course. So that's the only difference. All right. So let's take a look at the string pattern here. We'll go back there to C, since that is the 1st chord. And one round will be down, up, down, up, up, down, up. So down, up, then a short pause, and then comes up, down, up, like this. All right, so a couple of rounds of this to get the idea of how it sounds. Goes. And so on. All right, so you're gonna play 2 string rounds per chord, and that will be C, the G, B, the D minor, and the F. All right, and sometimes when it goes up to the chorus, it ends with F and end there, 1 round, and then 1 down on the F minor with a pause, and that builds up again for the next round with C, G, B, the D minor, and F. So the main round goes 2 string rounds of the 4 chords, C, G, B, D minor, and F, like this. Before the chorus. And that's it. Alright guys, so you have all the tools now to handle Alexander Stewart's song, If You Only Knew. I hope this helped. And yeah, I really support your supporting here on my channel, so it's important for me, if you only knew, like Alexander would say. So I really enjoy to do this, but I really need your feedback there. So feel free to hit the like button there and subscribe to this channel. Until next time guys, play tuned.